Welcome back, guys, to our channel, The Catalyst. I just want to seize this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for being part of the team. Thank you for being part of this community. Thank you for everything you are doing to us. So today we are going to move to our second lesson under database. And the lesson of today, we are going to learn how to create and manage our database. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we'll create a new database using MySQL, phpMyAdmin. Secondly, we'll learn database naming conventions. Thirdly, we are going to learn how to use SQL command to create a database, as well as we can also do it visually. Then lastly, we are going to view and delete the databases we have created, okay, or the ones we are going to create. So let's go straight to the point to phpMyAdmin. So this is our phpMyAdmin. Oh, sorry. What is happening? I'm sorry. Okay, so this is our phpMyAdmin. So the first thing we are going to do is, once we are here, we'll click on databases. Okay, we'll give the database name here. So in this case, we'll use Holy Infant. And once we've done that, we'll click on create. Click on create. You see the database has been created. We can see it here at the left pan. You see HIHS. Okay, so we have created the database using an SQL, using the visual approach. Okay, there is another way you could do that using SQL command. Remember, in our lesson we said we'll learn how to do that using an SQL command. So to do that, to create a database using an SQL command, you just go to SQL. As we can see here, you click on SQL and then you type the SQL. You type the SQL command here. You type the SQL command, which is create. The SQL command is create database. Okay, create database. Okay, create database, the name of the database, and in this case we are going to use HIHS1. Why 1? Because we already created another database with the same name, so we don't want to use the same thing. Okay, because if we enter the same thing, it's going to send us an error message. Okay, once you've done that, you scroll down, you see this button go, you click on it, go, and voila, you can see our database here. This is our database, the second database I created using SQL command. The first one, which is HIHS, was created visually. Okay, so let's move to now. The next thing we're going to do now, we are going to see how we can check or verify or view all the databases that have been created in our platform. Okay, so to do that, we'll go back to structure. Is that the case? No, you move to voila. So we'll come back here, databases, and we can see the two databases we have created. Okay, we can see the two databases we have created here. There is HIHS and we have HIHS1. So in our lesson, we are supposed to learn how to delete. Okay, how to delete a database that has already been created. Okay, so to do that, we'll just click. What you need to do is you just click on, you select the database you want to delete. So I'm going to delete HIHS1, okay, and then you click on drop. Once you do that, you click on drop. If you do drop, you can see this is a SQL command to delete a database. Drop database, the name of the database. So once you've done that, there's going to be a window. As you can see here, a window appears which says, it says, you are about to destroy a complete database. Do you really want to execute this command, the SQL command to delete a database? Yes, I'll say yes. Or by clicking, I will just click drop. Once we do that, voila, the database has been deleted. So that is it for our lesson for today. And please, if you are new in this platform, please remember to subscribe, okay, like, comment, and even share our videos. See you in our next class as we are going to create tables and define databases. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Ciao.